All these private vehicles, you got all the choices of a Lamborghini, a ZR1, a GTR, or this badass lifted Titan. Titan is fun, man. This is like your daily driver right here. This just says, you know what? This thing is just incredible on the road. Let's do a little walk around of it and I'll show you guys all about some choice. 2016 Nissan Titan XD diesel Pro 4X kit on the thing. This truck only has 8,600 miles on it. And it's got so many features to talk about. So let's do this video. We're gonna talk about all the features this truck has. It is available for sale. So let's cover everything we got. Mike, tell us about what we have here, boss.
So it's a 16 diesel, Nissan diesel. It's a Titan XD, not just a Titan. So it's got heavy duty suspension components, heavy duty alternator, increased tow capacity. This one's been pretty significantly modified, like some of the other vehicles you've videoed for us. It's sitting on a 10-inch CALAMINI lift. It almost looks like an 8-inch lift because of the 26-inch wheels that it sits on, but it's actually a 10-inch CALAMINI lift. Some of the suspension components have been powder coated. You know, this is exactly how the vehicle looks every day. We didn't go out of our way to try to detail this truck before anybody came over. I mean, we drive it. It is our daily driver. The truck has just an absolute ton of upgrades, which we'll get into in just a second. It does have all of the factory equipment. So heated steering wheel, power seats, all black leather, just awesome car. Navigation, Bluetooth, everything you can have for a luxury vehicle in a pickup truck.
And a pickup truck. So we have rhino linered, basically the lower half of the vehicle. So that is, looks like it's the premium finish on there, right?
Yeah, so you have a solar flare yellow, which is a pearl yellow, and then we took a premium finish rhino coat, did the entire bottom end of the truck, the fender flares, the front and rear bumpers, which have been changed out. They're Fab 4 bumpers. You got a Fab 4 winch bumper on the top, Fab 4 winch bumper on the, or Fab 4 rear bumper. It's got the Fab 4 light bar up on the top, the harness for the cage for the bars. Just awesome truck. Just it's designed not to be anywhere near stock. It's really just to look tough.
It is beyond stock. Man, we got, and also, I feel short here. Tonneau cover, it's retracts. Tonneau cover, and the roof rack up there, what do we got going on up there? Looks like we got some...
Yeah, so you got spreader lights on both sides. You've got two 50-inch light bars on the front. You've got the tow mirrors, which are extendable, right? So you have the mirror, and it pulls out for your trailer. You push them back. You do have a lighting kit behind the diesel logo, so what you're just looking at on the side fender there, it actually lights up amber with your turn signal, or it's white all the time while you're driving at night. Uses the same LEDs that the truck runs on. You've got a extreme grille up front with a light bar integrated into the front. You've got the two light bars, 50-inch at the top. You've got a Smitty built 10,000-pound winch. Like you recognized before, it's all rhino coated. It's got your D-rings up front. Everything's paint matched.
It is sick, man.
The Smitty winch up front actually runs on a remote control, which is really cool.
Right.
We've never actually had to use it, obviously. We don't go off-roading with the truck, but it sure is pretty.
Well, the good news, it's here in Florida, so there's no rust or anything like that on any of the components. It's never left the state of Florida, so this has never seen snow. It's never seen beach sand. It has never towed anything. I mean, this is basically a show truck.
You'll think it has no running boards, but the running boards are actually amp running boards with LEDs. It has a rock rail on the underside of it, rhino coated as well. But just so it helps you get in and out of the truck. Inside the truck, you got a full suede headliner put in the truck. All of the ABC pillars were all upholstered in the same black leather from the factory, so all of your supports for the roof of the truck are all leather coated. Just an awesome truck. Contrast stitching.
It looks.
All right, Mike. So let's talk about this interior, because even the interior's got some crazy upgrades to it too. So
yeah, it's tough to see on the video, I imagine, but the whole headliner of the truck, if you start at the top and work your way down, the whole headliner's suede. Custom headliner. Each of the A, B, C pillar on both sides is wrapped in the black leather. You can probably see that pretty well.
There's our
matches
A.
the factory leather.
Yep. Got it. A, B, and C pillars. So all the pillars where the seatbelts hook up at and where the handles
And you can
at.
jump up in the truck, David, if you want, and then just take a video of the dashboard. You can see it's got navigation with traffic control patterns. It's got the Bluetooth streaming audio. All of your, everything's push button start, all of your controls on the steering wheel. It does have a heated steering wheel. It is four-wheel drive, which is an awesome feature of this truck. It's just a beast. It does have a Rockford Fosgate 1000 watt audio system with subwoofers built into it, 2 of them. You look down on where the touch control panel is, you'll see it's got heated seats. It's got an electric brake system already built in for the trailer when you tow. It's got the Parktronic sonar for when you're parking and getting close, because sometimes it's a little difficult to judge distance with this thing. Not that it would matter, you just roll it up on it. You also have your touch panel for all your lighting, which was all integrated. The company that did all the modification is a company called Driven out of Memphis. Just did a great job on this truck. The truck stickers at around $63,000. I think we spent right under $50,000 on all the modifications, right on $45,000, and most of it was all custom built, bespoke, one-off.
So there's really no other Titan that's going to look like this. It's going to have these features to it. Love the touch screen control panel for all the lights, because you know, my Tundra, I've got just mounted in switches, which I like this a lot better because I feel like you got more control, kind of know where everything's at with it. Yeah, so yeah, this interior, I love the suede, man. This is I've never seen a suede headliner done like this before. Looks sharp, and as he mentioned, on all these pillars right here, the stitching matches the seats, so it just complements everything that's already present. Rockford Fosgate, also on the speakers and with the amplifier, you said?
Yeah.
All attached to a factory head unit, so all runs through there. And as you mentioned, navigation with all of our features and everything.
Has a rear sliding electric window, which is cool. It's operational right from the top, where your right hand would be up top on the headliner, where you would have your sunglass holder. It also has the SOS safety system, so if the truck's ever in a collision, it'll contact all the paramedics and rescue operation and bring them to your location. Fantastic vehicle. I think the Nissan Connect is probably one of the best technology systems available today.
So, and this truck has, we said 8,600 miles on it, and
right around
we got
there,
the key.
8,006, 8,007.
Let's see here. We're gonna fire this truck up, put on the brake, and let's give her a start. Nice. Woo! On a hot floor today. Power tilt wheel. Love that feature. Gives you a little rundown of the truck. And let's see here. I'm gonna shut the door to bring up that. 1 second here. Try to get that mode up for the mileage. Which is here. My mileage mode.
Should be right at the top on the left-hand side.
Top left-hand side. Oh, there it is. All right, hold on. 226. It's on trip.
It doesn't have both?
It's got your gas mileage and trip. There we go. I'm trying to make some shadow there. No worries. We know how many miles are on it.
Oh wait, maybe this is the button here.
But yeah, there it is, 8,708 miles. So I've been misquoting it at 86. It's got 100 more miles on it, but no worries. This truck can be yours with all of its features and its diesel capability. That's the thing that makes this thing strong. Love this truck, man. This thing is just, it's just something that you're looking for. This is definitely what you need. All modifications have been done. No warning lights on, except of course everything that I have engaged on it right here. But other than that, this truck is yours.